Hello, welcome back. It's been a long time, and as you can see, I've made some upgrades. Yeah, boy. Yeah, so this is my new bike, Aprilia Tuono V4 2016. A bit dirty, as you can see, maybe. So yeah, this is what I'll be hooning around on from now on. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. I've ridden it quite a lot. It's a giggle machine, as you see and hear. But yeah, enough with the talking. Let's get going. Because I know you want to hear the exhaust more than you want to hear my voice right now, probably. So let's go. Yeah, it's pretty neat. Pretty neat. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on the road. A little quick pull. But yeah, I've got a new bike and it's pretty awesome. It's a really fun bike. I love it. It was quite a while since I got it. Actually, I had it for like half a year, but then I haven't ridden it all the time. I bought it in like December. Who rides in December and January and all those months? So it's been a hiatus. There, so. Is that a lawnmower? Yes, I thought it was like a ball picked up, or if that makes sense. I don't think it does, but yeah, anyways, it didn't look like it picked up the balls though, so that's what made me question it. So a new bike, pretty exciting. And it's been a while since I made a video. I know. I've just like been racing. Yeah, a lot of as usual, a lot of yapping. I'm not a good yapper all the time. Now, I've been away from this game for so long, I've lost my PhD in yapology, so I'm not a professional yapper. I need to get back to it, even though I'm yapping quite a lot right now. And it feels weird, you know, talking to yourself again. It's been such a long time since I did this. It's been like, I don't even know, like maybe 8 months or something. Yeah, that's a long time. And this guy is absolutely zooming out there. He needs to be careful, because he's driving like a maniac in a car like that. I mean, first of all, who in their right mind buys that car? What is that, a Kia Soul? I think so. I don't know. It's not a car that I would buy anyways. But then again, it's not a car that you would think yourself going fast like that guy would go. So he's a pretty crazy guy. I mean, I can't even see him right now. I think he wanted to race, and then he found out that I'm like a coward or something. But I'm actually a semi-good boy. Not a completely good boy, but a semi-good boy. Look, he's all the way down there. I mean, he's not driving legally, that's for sure. Because I'm driving not legally. I'm trying to be a somewhat good citizen. You know, even though I'm failing at it quite a lot. Today, I'm not even succeeding. But it's so hard. Especially on this bike. I mean, I'm driving super slow for this bike. I need to go in like first gear if I want to be able to do the speed limit here. And that's just a pain in the butt. And it's almost time to release the beast. I have to wait a little bit longer. I have to keep you on the edge a little bit longer. But don't worry. I don't know how clear you can see the dash, but as you might be able to see, I have traction control at 8, which is the height. Because I'm not trying to die right now. I could go lower, I know, but it's just fun to not have to worry about it. And then I also have the wheel control on the highest, and launch control, and ABS. Well, maybe not ABS, but you know, I have quite high settings, just so that I don't have to think as much now in the beginning. But let's go. Yeah, so that was this bike. It's pretty fast. Oh, there's that guy again. He's going fast, man. He's zooming out there. What up, man?